I'm making this video because I am so angry. I don't even know what to do. I mean, I know what to do, to handle it, but recently I purchased a new camera to replace a camera I had. A lot of you guys know I had a new camera coming in. I made it a big deal. I was going to get it today, and I had a Wreck Bike Rebuild episode to film tomorrow that was going to come out next Tuesday. And now that episode can't happen. And I told you guys I'd make a video talking about the new camera I got and why I got it, and that'll be another video. I ordered a $6,000 camera, and I ordered this from Amazon, and it had Amazon Prime everything. Let me show you what just came in the fucking mail. Okay. The box. Canon 1DX Mark II. Yay. This shit had the plastic on it. Normal box. What's this? It's obviously not a brand new fucking Canon 1DX Mark II, is it? No, not at all. It's a fucking rock. Let's look at the brand new features of Oh, there's something else. Let's check that out. Oh, it's a collection of rocks. Oh, don't worry though. Don't worry. They double bagged them, so nothing's gonna happen. Gosh, I would be so upset if anything happened to my brand new fucking rocks. Oh, joy! Oh gosh, guys. So, main point is, what the fuck, Amazon? As a consumer, spending $6,000 on a fucking camera? And you are going to let people sell this kind of shit? Obviously I'm getting a refund and all that shit, so it's not like I've wasted $6,000, but you can bet your ass next time I'm buying a fucking camera, I'm gonna order it from B&H, where I know if I order a camera, a fucking camera's gonna show up. The fact that this can happen is a joke for a company that fucking big. There is no excuse for getting fucking rocks. I don't even fucking know what to say. Okay. I'm gonna turn this video off, because I'm just gonna sit here and cuss and be mad because I got fucking rocks in the mail from Amazon. I don't even know what to fucking say. Okay, I'm gonna go. Just as an update, there's not gonna be a Wreck Bike Rebuild episode next week, and I'll update you on what the happens with that. So, realize that the best thing I can do in this situation is get a refund for this thing, take it to an Amazon locker here in Atlanta, and get that started. It's currently 4:30 in the afternoon and we're in Atlanta, Georgia, so I get to now deal with probably 2 hours worth of traffic as I attempt to get this shit handled the same day that it happened. I am currently on the way to a FedEx store so I can print out all the bullshit with the, oh God. So to return this box, I have to now go to FedEx to print off all this paperwork that says lithium batteries included. I'm over here just laughing my ass off because I know it's a box full of fucking rocks. But nonetheless, that is what I have to do now. Up until this point, I shop on Amazon for everything. I buy all my shit on Amazon. And the reason I do that is because it was reliable, and I knew when I clicked buy that the right shit was going to get to my house. And what has happened today has turned Amazon into the same way that I look at eBay, where it's, hey, you can get shit, but like, I hope it's the right thing. Side note, I don't buy anything on eBay. If I buy something on eBay, that's like, shit, I had no options. So I guess I find myself here on this website. So before that, Amazon had this veil of like, it was this huge company, but somehow it just made everything work. And that was a very nice thing to have. As a person that hates shopping for shit in person, that was amazing to be able to be like, I'll just buy stuff on Amazon and I'll just know it'll come in and everything will be fine. That is now gone. Obviously, all of this refund shit better go through. I swear to God, I will lose my fucking mind if somebody's trying to get through a loophole on Amazon. Like, who the what are you doing? Oh, God. I have to put this on the outside of this f***ing box full of rocks. Just saying. Alright, we're safe now. F***ing kidding me. So I'm on the way to take this thing to this Amazon store. Where the fuck I'm going, I don't really know. But it occurred to me that watching this video, a logical question for one of you guys might be, well, Chase, did you order your camera? Did you make the order for the camera through a third-party person on Amazon, or did you actually buy it? Or did you actually buy it from Amazon? Because if I bought it from a third-party person for like a cheaper deal, that would make sense, right? Like, well, that's what happens when you buy it from random people, i.e. the eBay situation that we were talking about earlier. And the answer is no. I actually went on Amazon and bought it brand new. Brand new, purchased on Amazon, and I got fucking rocks. Just wanted to put that out there because I know that question would probably come up. If I was watching this video, I'd be like, well, shouldn't have bought it from somebody selling on Amazon. Woo, motherfucking saw. Okay, so I walked in the little fucking Amazon store and handed the lady the box. She scanned it and I walked out. So it's now going to take me 45 minutes to get home thanks to traffic. I'm gonna check the account when I get home and we'll see where that is. Okay. So that drive sucked ass. Back in the office now. Amazon has now had an hour. They've had 1 hour. We're gonna see what emails I have now. I swear to God, if I don't have an email being like, hey, your return is on the way and your refund is already... Return received. Fantastic. You will receive further notification once your return has been processed. Oh, oh joy. Okay, so this video is going to end here. Look forward to part 2 where I lose my fucking mind if Amazon... Oh, God. Okay, so at this point, I have rewrapped the rocks and sent them back to an Amazon store, like legit dropped them off at the Amazon store. The next step is processing. That means Amazon has to open this box up and see all these fucking rocks in it. So my question is, what's going to happen, Amazon? What's going to happen when you open a box that should have a $6,000 camera in it and accessories, and there's rocks in it? Whose fault is that going to be put on? Is that going to be mine? Because if I was a company and a customer sent me back a box full of rocks, I'd be like, LOL, fuck you. I just want y'all to know, if I get a message back from Amazon, I'd be like, yeah, the item, you didn't return the item, I'm going to lose my mind. I feel I can't even. I feel like I'm dreaming right now. You guys have no, like, I literally buy everything on Amazon. So the fact that this happened has, I literally can't believe this is like real life right now. I'll update you guys in a part 2 of whatever I'm gonna call this fucking video. Oh my God.